Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got one more iPhone 11 unboxing video for you. So this time it's actually the cheapest item that Apple makes. What is it, you may ask? Well, you probably saw from the title if I included it there. Maybe I left you in suspense, but it's actually the Lightning to headphone jack adapter. And so Apple used to include this with every one of their iPhones that they sold. But with the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, they discontinued that. And so, as I mentioned in my iPhone 11 unboxing video, as I will link it up above if you haven't seen it already, but this is the first iPhone I've had without a headphone jack. The last iPhone I was using was the iPhone 6 Plus, which of course had the headphone jack because it was made about 5 years ago. And so, this new iPhone is right here. As you can see, I already got the screen protector on it, case on it, and it's ready to be set up. I just want to do that later. But this last thing I wanted to unbox is the Lightning to headphone jack adapter, which is not going to be very exciting, but something that is kind of interesting on the packaging itself. As with a lot of Apple products these days, they just have pull tabs, and so you don't need any knives or anything to open them, which is super snazzy. In terms of the box itself, just says Lightning to headphone jack adapter on the front. On the bottom, has a little more details about it in the barcode. It does cost $9, so the cheapest Apple product you can buy right now is $9. And then tells you the devices it's compatible with, and on the back it just says Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter in multiple languages. So let's pull this fancy tab and see what's inside. Just like that, you pull the tab and pull this tab and it opens right up. Wow, there's quite a bit of materials in there. So the jack itself is just in this little cardboard piece. Just a tiny little thing. I don't know what else you need for that. And so I actually make a lot of videos and use microphones with my iPhones, and so that's why I needed this adapter. So you just plug it into the bottom of the phone. Got a dongle, which I'm sure a lot of people are familiar with this now, but it's something new to me, and it's probably new to a lot of people as well. I know a lot of people out there still have iPhone 6s and 6Ss and 5Ss even, and so they may need this headphone jack adapter as we move into a wireless headphone world. And so you still do need it for some wired headphones and for microphones, or even to plug into my car. I have to use this headphone jack adapter, which may get annoying. I may have to look to a Bluetooth solution, but my car is a 2008, so it doesn't quite have Bluetooth or the capabilities of cars today. In terms of the materials that's included, one of these documents says the certification and compliance document, and then the other is about Apple's 1-year limited liability warranty. And so if you do have an issue with this, I believe they will replace it within a year as long as it's not your fault on the damage. So that's about it for this simple headphone jack adapter. It's pretty simple. If I had to guess, I'd say this adapter probably cost them less than $1 to make and ship to the store, and so they're probably making pretty good profit on these. I don't know why they don't just include it in the box anymore, because it probably costs them not a lot, but maybe there's not a lot of room in those boxes that they felt like they could fit it. So with that, that's my video. I'm gonna go set up my iPhone and do some more iPhone videos in the future, but thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for some more videos just like this, and to keep informed on my progress moving forward and what I think of all the products I unboxed for the iPhone 11 and if I like the iPhone 11 itself. And so with that, I'm signing off, and we'll see you in the next video.